Hi, so far we have studied um, fundamentals like basic data types like int, float, list, not list, int, float, and boolean data types string in Python so far. And by implementing these data types and importing math module, we will calculate some areas. In the week 2, the code snippet were posted and this is the task. So we have to calculate the areas. So first I need to open Jupyter Lab. So here I am going to type cmd what I did. Yeah, change directory. Sorry, I am going to change my directory because the folder is in my different directory. So cd move common cd move project. What's happening? I do not detecting the folder. cd project. How? Ls list. What's happening? Though I'm having, I have a folder here named oh, I'm typing project, but CD, sorry, my fault. Yeah, it's here now. Jupyter Lab. This is the command that I need to uh, write. Oh, Jupyter Lab, and it will redirect me on my web page of Jupyter Lab. There we will type our code. It will take some time. Come on. Okay. Okay. It's opening. So here we are going to calculate areas of different calculating area of different shape, and another thing is using basic data types, print statement, import method to the function, importing math module. That's it. So in the next step we are going to I will like you calculating 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 area rectangle. So in area of rectangle I need two dimensions, that is data length int data type, because I am mentioning here int because if I don't mention it will throw an error, that is type error. Enter the length. Why it will show the type error? Because in Python every input without any data type is considered as for string by default. Width is equal to enter the width. Okay. Look here, I just used one parenthesis and did not complete the whole the parenthesis, so I need to complete it now. Area rep is equals to length into width. The formula is length into width. Print area is the comma Right. Now let's see what happens. Yes, it is taking input 2, 3. No, 2, 6. So 6 into 2, 12. Yeah, it is correct. Now calculating, calculating area of circle. Okay. In area of circle, I need pi value and a radius. That's it. So I am mentioning pi is equals to 3.1459, and then rate only r. Okay, let's write whole name. Radius is equals to um, yeah, float, because radius is many times in float like decimal. So I'll write here that data type float, input, enter the radius. Okay, now area of circle is equals to pi into r into, that means double asterisk, that shows after double asterisk any digit I write, it will multiply the variable before double asterisk equal to the digit. For example, write r double asterisk 2 will be used as r into r, because there is a 2. If I write here 3, then r will be multiplied 3 times. So I just read today this arithmetic operator, new arithmetic operator in Python. So let's see how print what's happening, buddy. The area of circle is area circle, and I have to mention here area. Now let's run it. What is it showing? Yeah, it is asking for me radius to. Oh, what is it? I did not write whole name of radius variable. So keep in mind that you should not forget what you have written. Now it will print the whole. Okay, so now we can do this by importing the math module again. So let's see. For example, calculating the area of a sphere. Okay, calculating area of sphere. Area of a sphere is calculated in different uh, way, like in the form of volume, in the form of radius, in the form of it is actually three. It is calculated in three ways. So I mentioned here two ways. Let's see how to calculate area of a sphere in the form of radius. Okay, in terms of radius, not form. In terms of radius. So the formula is area is equal to 4. Come on, 4 pi 4 into pi into r square. This is the area of sphere in terms of radius. So let's calculate it. First I have to import math, and pi is equals to math.pi. It will use exact value of pi, and here I need a radius, so R is equals to, I will write float input under the radius of sphere, and then uh, area. Area, we can write here sphere area is equals to 4 into 5 into r double asterisk takes 2, that will multiply the r double time. Okay, and then print. Okay, now the area of sphere is, I'm using the traditional method here, percent %d for input, but we used radius as a float, so I am going to write f, and also the result will be so long after decimal, so I am going to limit it. So I will write here percent or modulus sign point. How many digits I want? I want 3 digits after decimal, and then asterisk, double quotes, and no comma, no space, only one plus modulus sign, and then sphere area, the variable you want to print the result of. And then okay, let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, so I am going to write here a, oh, it is working very well. Okay, so that's all up till now. We have used so many things. Thank you for financially to clear our doubts, and uh, I'm thankful to the whole team because the logics are getting day by day clearer. Also, I am understanding the Python language and learning it day by day. Thank you financially.